Hey, how's everybody doing? Welcome to my channel, Chasing the Set, and today we're gonna be setting up these, I guess, Santee rigs for catfish. I got this off of Amazon, and I'm gonna try them out. I've used something similar before that I got from Walmart. Didn't really have much luck with this, so I'm hoping these with the rattles will do good. Come with these yellow and orange rattles, the green too also. Also these bobber stoppers, the beads, some with the eyes, and whatever these things will be called. And for the hooks, it comes with a 8 and a 6/0. For these rigs that I'm gonna be making today, I'm going to be using the 6 on one and a little 4/0. I think it's a 4. That's a big difference. Actually, I might switch to this one right here. There we go. Yeah, it's a much better size. So I'm gonna make the 2 different sizes since it comes with 2 different floats. Now I'm also going to be using a 30-pound test. Hopefully it works pretty good. I'm gonna just cut a section of line here. I'm gonna make it kind of long for right now, and I'll just cut it down to length after all the rigs are on there. First, start off with the hook. Alright, where you do the, I think it's called the snail knot, the knotless. So we're just gonna start wrapping it around. A good number of times. This should be good. Now back through the knot or the whole eye of the hook. Down. Get it up. Pull. There we go. And I'm gonna clip a little bit of this tag end. Not too much, just a little bit. There we go. Alright, and I've never done one of these made one of these, so I'm gonna go off of up the picture that they had on Amazon. So the way they had it on there was they had a peg float or a bobber stopper. Now I can see right, there we go, like that, and slide this on. Hopefully it fits on this 30-pound test. There we go. First time using one of those, so I was surprised it went on fine. Now ready to go all the way down. I think right there should be fine. So they had one of these eyes, so I think I'm gonna use a blue one, put it on. So I believe they had one of these. If I can see where the hole is there. They had I believe the eye, one of these little spinning things, put that on there, and then they had a regular bead. Oh, no bead. go. But where is the hole? Oh. Almost thought that one didn't have a. Now, I'm gonna go orange rattles. Is that right? I'm not sure if that's right. Looks right. We'll do that, I guess. Do another bead. I may have done it a little bit different than them on the picture, but there's the bead. Do another one of those little fan deals. And one more bead. And then I'm scrap. The rattle. See how that. Yeah, I'm gonna need another bead for that spinning thing. Oh, crap, lost it. There we go. No. There's that. And I believe they had another bobber stopper on there. Let's put that in there. These things are a bit hard to put on. You can put it kind of close, but not touching, so there's still enough room for it to move around and rattle. And now we got orange and yellow. Let's go with orange. One of these. Here we go. Put this through there. Oh, wrong way. There we go. And then the float. And then this one. There we go. And push that through. There we go. And then put this one in there. And there we go. You know what? I may have. I'm not sure this little peg float can carry that. Let's change of plans. Change of plans on that. I'm going to go with a bigger one because I'm not too sure if that small one can handle the two rattles. So I'll make a different smaller one with just the one rattle for the smaller float. Shouldn't I put this one in there? Whoop, lost it. In there. There we go. And I'll just grab another one of these and I'll pick that one up afterwards. this up a bit. And there we have it. Look at that. I think it rattles a good bit. Hopefully these things spin in the water. Oh. I'm just gonna do one more bobber stopper, so that way the peg doesn't come down. There we go. That's become a little easier to put on, which is nice. Slide this all the way down. And there we go. Hopefully that works. Hopefully it can work better than one of these. For some reason, one of these, I don't really like that. I don't like how stiff it is. Like it's just flat. Like this one, when it's gonna be floating, it has that more curve instead of just going straight down. And it does come with these swivels. They seem to be heavy duty-ish, but we'll see. But I'll tie one of these on once I'm gonna set it up to my pole. You know, there we go. And hopefully next video will be testing this out. Maybe tomorrow, gonna be doing some fishing, Christmas fishing. So we'll see. All right, for now, if you enjoyed, let me know what bait you want me to try tomorrow, or whenever it is I'll be going fishing, and I'll give it a try. All right, later.